To see the question, let us go for the solution. In the question you see order of G is 20. Order of G is 20 and sizes of conjugacy classes are 1, 4, 5, 5, 5. You see one, obviously this one corresponds to the identity element of this group. Now it remains 2. There are 2 types of number. One is 4 and other is 5. You see that 20, this 20 does not divide factorial 4. Factorial 4 is 24. So there will be a subgroup, suppose H, whose order will be this 20 by 5, 20 by this 4, that is 5. And since 20 does not divide factorial 4, then this H will contain a normal subgroup. But you see that 5 is a prime number. There are 2 subgroups of this H. One is of order 1 and other is of order 5, because there are 2 factors of 5. But subgroup of order 1 is trivial. So the other, that is subgroup of order 5, means this subgroup H itself. So H is a normal subgroup. H is a normal subgroup. Now 5. If you do the same thing for 5, that is, you should take 20 and should see that 20 divides factorial 5 or not. Then you will find factorial 5 is divisible by 20. So corresponding to this number, that is 20, this 20 by this 5, there will be a subgroup, suppose K, and its order will be equal to this, that is 4. So in both cases you get subgroups. Here a subgroup of order 5, here is subgroup of order 4. But if you see this condition, 20 does not divide factorial 5, then in that case the subgroup you find will contain a subgroup inside it, which will be non-trivial normal subgroup. Since this is a prime number, so that normal subgroup is H itself, and here K is also a subgroup, but this is not a normal subgroup. Now here we got 2 subgroups, a normal of order 5, a subgroup non-normal, not normal, of order 4. And you must know that a subgroup of order 4 is always abelian and contains a subgroup of order 2 inside it. That means this subgroup L is inside K. Now there are 3 subgroups, one normal and 2 subgroups of order 4 and order 2, but not normal. Now let us observe HL. If you find HL, then HL will be H, order of H, into order of L, H intersection L and its order. But you must see that here 5 and 2 both are prime numbers. So H and L both are cyclic subgroups, and 2 cyclic groups with orders different prime numbers have only identity element common. So order of H intersection L will be 1. So this HL will be H, order of H, into order of L, and order of H is 5. order of L is 2, so this will be 10. And you must also observe that here HL is a subgroup because H is a normal subgroup. If you take product of two subgroups and if any of these two is a normal subgroup, then product is itself a subgroup. So we get 4 subgroups: a normal subgroup of order 5, two non-normal subgroup, and a subgroup. So there are 4 subgroups, and this subgroup H is normal. K, L and HL, these 3 subgroups are not normal. So our correct options will be A and C. So A and C are correct options.